Welcome to the product demo of RevAIz. RevAIz is specially designed to read the handwritten notes of rural villages students. It needs to sign in with Google Auth. Once sign-in is successful, it loads the upload page where students can upload the handwritten notes or any PDF, any PNG file that needs to be analyzed through the Google APIs. The model will analyze the handwritten notes and the PDFs using Gemini API, and it creates a AI summary, the key concepts and formula and the flashcards which uses to revise the entire note smartly. Here you can see the output which generated the summary, the key concept and the important formula related to that, and it also created some flashcards where students can quickly revise about the uploaded image. Thank you for watching.